Hello friends, if you are searching how to delete Depop account, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can delete your Depop account. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Send an email to close@depop.com and request account deletion. Include your Depop username and type a clear deletion request. It may take up to 7 days to process your request and then your account will be deleted. Congrats! This email confirmation signals the close of your account. And you are done. Most asked question: what happens when I deactivate my account? So the answer is, you will no longer have access to your Depop account and you will lose all of your saved settings. Please note that you cannot have any open disputes before closing your account, so if you do have any outstanding, please ensure they are resolved. Only by using this method, you can easily delete your Depop account. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.